Hi everyone, we are out here in Southwest Albuquerque checking out this property. We are actually hosting an open house, 5105 Rose Court. This property right here, New Mexico style, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2-story, listed for 440. Not by me, but the jump, Mr. Cody, will be his first listing. 2-car garage. It's very nice right now. It's kind of windy. We're gonna walk through it, and you guys can check it out. I'm gonna be here for a little bit, and also this weekend, Cody and a couple of colleagues are gonna be out here. This is your neighborhood. This is the outside of the property. And so listed for 440. It is about 2,500 square feet. We're gonna check it out. Nice big open space. This is the first, I want to say, receiving room. And then this is the kitchen. Absolutely beautiful. Dining room. This is the kitchen. So that is the master. I'm sorry, the living room. Fireplace. We're gonna check out the master. This is your half bath right there. Then this is your master with the full bath down here. Alright guys, that's half a tour. It's not the full tour. Come check it out. And my hair is a mess, so come check it out. Love to work with you guys.